a painful burning inside of your mouth. You feel the beam rush down your throat. Tears start to fill your eyes. Your teeth, they're trembling, but you can't eat. You're trying, oh, you're trying not to cry. You've been bean boozled. It's not a good bean, my friend.
It's not.